What's up, everybody? It's Andy. Today we are going to be doing a compression test on this 1947 Plymouth engine. Let's get started. We have all these spark plugs which we have labeled 1 through 6 because it has firing sequence, and if we get it wrong, the engine will run really rough and it's hard to get them fixed if you mess it up. Now we're going to remove all the spark plug wires. I need to grow a few inches. Now we're going to remove all the spark plugs. They all look like they're burning about the same, so that's probably a good sign. On trying out different sizes, this kit comes with a lot of different sizes. I'm screwing the adapter on the compression tester. That way we can test the compression with this gauge of the engine. I forgot to remove the coil wire, which is this orange wire. We're going to go ahead and remove it. Like that. Alright, let's turn over the engine. We got 70. Now we're going to unscrew it and put it into the next cylinder. Turn over the engine. We got 75 this time. I'm not going to bore you by showing us doing the rest, but we're going to finish it. We finished the compression test, and our results were well. We were expecting 95, but here's what we got. For the first cylinder, we got 70. For the second cylinder, we got 75. And for the third cylinder, we got 65. And then on the fourth cylinder, we got 75. And then on the fifth cylinder, we got 70. And on the sixth, 45. So something's definitely wrong with cylinder number 6. We're going to look into that in a later video when we take apart the engine and fix it. See you next time.